when there was the Klezmer revival in the late 70s and early 80s, an inordinate number of queers were Jewish queers were taken up by this movement. And there's this sense of, I mean, start with being a Jew in the world where we're a very small percentage. Start with being queer is probably a bigger percentage than being Jew, right? 10% probably of the world is queer in some way, if not more. But what I'm getting at is that working from a place of being in the minority binds you together in a certain way. So if we're Jewish and we're seeing this culture that is very fragile and on the edge of dissolution perhaps, and it says something to our hearts somehow. I mean, Yiddish has that way of speaking to the heart, and so we attach to that, and we claim it, and we say, this is how we can express ourselves as Jews. The patriarchy of the religion won't hold us, but perhaps this has more room for us. And being a minority is familiar to us already, so we can take that. We don't need to be so mainstream. We can take this little niche and make it ours, and have the freedom to really shape it and claim it.